Funclub Casino No Deposit Bonus Codes 2022 will get you the best chance to win. In today's video, you will get up to Funclub Casino $300 free chip. I will walk you through the entire process of obtaining Funclub Casino bonus codes, and as a result, you will have the opportunity to save a significant amount of money. Keep watching this video carefully to learn how can you get Funclub Casino No Deposit Bonus Codes in 2 quick steps. Open up your favorite browser and go to this website, empirecodes.com. On the homepage of this great website, search for Funclub Casino. Click the first result link to open. Scroll down until you see this big button and click on it to open the generator. You can see all available amounts you can generate on the generator page. So scroll down and select the amount of your choice. Click on it and give the generator to do what it does best. Okay, the code's generated, but we can't see the last digits because it's hidden. To unlock it, simply click the Human Verification button and complete any survey of your choice to prove you are human and not an automated robot. Soon after you finish, the full code will be unlocked, and you can get the full working codes thanks to this generator.